Good morning Year 4 and welcome to your Thursday starter video for English. So we're just going to do a nice capital T, H, U, R, S, D, Y. So Thursday, the 4th of February. Okay. And we're going to underline that with our ruler. Nice and neatly. Then we're going to leave that gap of one line. We're going to write our learning objective. We are learning to write descriptive sentences, which is what you're going to be doing today. Been doing a lot of descriptive writing lately, but this is where we really need to do some work. So you've been learning about Grendel and you've been learning about Beowulf this week, so we're going to do some handwriting based around that today. So the first join we're going to practice is we're going to practice our descender, letter G, coming round to an R. So G, down, up, R. Can you do a line of that join for me? Just like I'm doing. You can start with the flick that leads in. You should see that your handwriting is quite consistent across the line. Then we're going to try E-N. So E-N, so flick round and flick for the next join. Just like that. The whole... Forgot what letter I was doing then. Then we're going to go for a D and L. So they should both be sitting tall on the line, as they are both ascenders. So make sure that it looks like a D when you are forming your letter. As you can tell, I'm at home doing this. You can hear the little monkey. Okay, then we're going to practice with the last two. We're going to do an L and an E. I apologise about the background noise. An L and an E. So you should see clear difference in size between those two letters. Okay, just like that. If you're wondering what the noise is, it's Joe in his playroom. Then we're going to practice doing the word Grendel. Now Grendel's always going to have a capital G because it's a name. So then we're going to practice R-E-N-D-L-E. G-R-E-N-D-E-L even. Grendel. E-N-D-E-L. E-N-D-E-L. G-R-E-N-D-E-L. And we don't join our capital. Okay? So I suggest that you have a practice of each of these lines here. So the G-R-E-N-D-L-L-E. So we're practicing some different joins. You can also practice, if you wanted to do a little bit more practice, you'll practice E-L. E-L, so doing it the other way around. You could practice L-D if you wanted. It doesn't harm to practice joining letters R-G in any way, okay? So you're practicing joining different letters, and remember to keep those are the same. So if I was to draw a line, you can see they roughly all sit on that same line. All right, so thank you, Year 4.